We all want to keep our skin beautiful, but for various reasons it is not possible. Drink plenty of water every day to keep the skin beautiful. Try to keep the meal time fixed every day. Today we will show you permanent skin whitening banana facial. First, take 2 tablespoons banana paste in a bowl. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamin C, and E, which help promote glowing skin, and milk gently removes dead skin cells, while rose water helps to brighten the skin. Add 2 tablespoons milk powder. It is rich in lactic acid which naturally cleans and brightens skin. Besides skin lightening, what makes milk powder an apt ingredient for the skin is the concentration of vitamins and minerals. This acts as a skin purifier. It can also rid the skin of unwanted impurities like blackheads and whiteheads. Add 2 tablespoons raw milk. Skin cell damage results in dead skin cells that give the face a dry and dull look. Raw milk is a rich source of fats, water, carbohydrates, proteins, and vitamin A. When applied to the face, it acts as a moisturizer and helps eliminate dead skin cells, thus giving the face a natural glow. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne. Manuka honey has been studied as an anti-acne product and found to be significantly more effective than other popular products. Honey speeds up your skin cells' healing processes. Add 4 tablespoons lemon juice. Its natural bleaching properties is what make lemon juice one of the best skin whitening home remedies. A lemon juice infused face pack is sure to make your skin a few shades lighter. From skin brightening and reducing the appearance of dark spots to treating freckles and oily skin, lemon juice is gold for your skin. Mix well. Apply this mixture all over the face and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, clean it off with waters. Now you can see my face is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.